Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Enrico the Barber, and today I'm back with yet another video. So in today's video I'm going to be focusing on zero gapping as well as cleaning your wall clippers. I hope you guys enjoy all of the content. Please like, comment and subscribe below. So yeah guys, today I'll be demonstrating how to zero gap your clippers with my Wall Magic Clip. So zero gapping is basically the gap in between, if you can see how my blades are moving back and forth. So the gap in between your front and your back blade there. As you can see, it's almost touching. So when you zero gap your machine, you basically bringing these blades much closer together to give yourself a more defined, much cleaner and crispier lineup or trim. And it also gives a very close cut. So in order for you to complete this process, what you will need is, you'll need a screwdriver, you'll need a brush. I personally just use a toothbrush because it's much easier to reach in certain places inside of your clipper. You're gonna need yourself some oil, and I'm gonna use some methylated spirits to clean my blades up with. So the first thing you do in order to zero gap your clippers is you would have to loosen the screws in the back of your clipper here. Loosen these screws up. And as you can see, the back blade and the front blade. So this is all the hair that constantly builds up in your machines. That's why I urge all barbers to constantly clean their machines. Make sure it's clean at all times. So this is where the toothbrush will come into play. I'll just give it a nice clean up. Just dust it off. So once that's nice and clean, you can just drop it down there. And now I'm gonna take my spirits and I'm just gonna spray it over my blades like this. And then what I'll do is I'll just dust off all this excess hair that's been building up inside of my clippers, to make sure that my clippers are cutting nice and smoothly once I do put them back together. Just lay that blade down over there. Can clean this up over here. Now that we've done the first step, the next thing we can do is you can take your bottle of methylated spirits, get yourself the lid of a bowl, but one that's big enough. Open up your methylated spirits and just throw a fair amount of spirits in the bowl, like so. And you can just drop your blades in there, and you can just leave it to sit in there for a few minutes. You can leave it to sit in there about 5 to 6 minutes. And then once you've left your blades to sit in the spirits for 5 to 6 minutes, you can just take it out. Take everything out of the spirits. Make sure you get yourself a good clean cloth, and you can just wipe down all the excess spirits that's still left on the blades. Make sure your blades are nice and clean. And then just for the last time, you give our clipper a nice wipe down. Make sure everything's clean. And now for the next step, we're gonna be putting our Wall Magic Clip back together and we'll be zero gapping it. So when putting your clippers together, always take note of how you disassemble it. Small blade first, the big blade over, the same way I took it off. I'll put the first screw in. Just try and screw it up a bit. But for this step, you don't tighten your screws too tight. or you don't make your screws too tight, because we still need to move the blades back and forth in order for us to zero gap it. So as you can see, my blades aren't put together properly. It's not tight as yet. I haven't fastened the screws properly. So now to zero gap our machine, as you can see how these blades are moving now, it's supposed to be equal like this here, as you can see. So what we will now do is we'll just put some pressure on the back of our machines. We'll fasten the screw. We won't make it too tight because we just want to turn it back for reference. Make sure that the back and the front blades are equal, because if they aren't equal, it will give your client a very uncomfortable cut, and you could even cut your client open while lining them up. So you have to make sure that it's not, you don't over gap it. So you just give it the perfect amount of gap, just like that there. And now you put pressure again, and then you make sure that it's tied securely, and there we go. So that was just a quick and easy way for you guys to zero gap your clippers. This will work on any type of clipper, not necessarily for wall only, but I personally am a fan of wall, so I strictly use wall equipment. But I guess it's all about preference. So once your machine is put back together, everything is working properly. As you can see, we're gonna get the wall clipper oil. Gonna make sure you don't over oil your clippers. Just put in a drop over there, and you just work it in a bit. We're gonna clean off the excess oil. So yeah, there you guys go. That's one of the simple ways to zero gap your wall clippers. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it was very easy for you guys to understand. Please like, comment and subscribe on my page below.